multivitamins, and your micronutrients.
Multivitamins are popular because they offer a convenient way to supplement essential vitamins and minerals. Many people take them to fill perceived gaps in their diet. But how do they compare to getting nutrients from whole foods? Let's explore whether a daily pill or a varied plate best supports your health.
The case for a balanced diet.
A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, provides most people with all the micronutrients they need. Whole foods supply not only vitamins and minerals, but also fiber, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds found naturally in foods. These elements work together for overall well-being.
How multivitamins work.
Multivitamin supplements typically contain a range of vitamins and minerals at levels close to daily recommended amounts. They can help people with specific dietary restrictions, absorption issues, or increased needs due to age or certain health conditions. However, they don't always provide the full spectrum or ideal forms of nutrients found in food.
Can supplements replace food?
While multivitamins can help prevent deficiencies, they can't substitute for the variety and complexity of nutrients in real foods. Some nutrients in food are better absorbed, and others, like plant compounds and dietary fiber, aren't present in pills at all. Relying solely on supplements may mean missing out on important components of health.
Finding your best approach.
For most people, a balanced, varied diet is the most effective way to meet micronutrient needs. Multivitamins may be helpful in cases of known deficiency or dietary limitations. Consult a healthcare professional before starting supplements. Remember, building healthy food habits usually offers the greatest long-term benefits for your wellness.